Hello everyone! Make 2 sections on either side of the head and then at the back make 3 more sections. Make 2 braids at the bottom and tie it up. Now for our next hairdo, start off by taking a section from the front, add multiple rubber bands, make a braid at the back and then make a ponytail, braid the bottom of the hair, roll it up. Divide the hair into 4 portions as such. At the bottom, make multiple divisions, add multiple rubber bands, join it to the 2 ponytails on the side, roll it into a bun. Start off by dividing the hair into 3 portions. Divide one of the sections into 2 parts. Divide the broken part or the section part into another 2 parts to make a heart shape. Now start off by sectioning the top of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, make 2 braids out of it. Section out the rest of the hair into 2 parts as well, and then begin to braid the hair using the initial braids as well. Roll it up. Start off by tying a ponytail, add a ribbon with a bow to it. Taking the bottom portions of the ribbon, begin to make a braid with it. Use a section of the ribbon as part of the braid. Somehow include all 4 sections of it as such and then alternate with their turns. Now start off by tying a ponytail. You will make a fishtail braid out of this ponytail. That is, divide the hair into 2 sections and then take small sections from either of the sections, interchange it in the middle, roll it up into a bun once you are done. Now start off by tying a ponytail. Make a small thin braid on it. Tie up a band 2 or 3 times in the middle and then using your fingers loosen it out just a little bit. Section off the front of the hair, add multiple rubber bands to it and then join it at the back as such. Divide the hair into 4 portions. Taking the bottom portion, make 2 braids and then on the other 2 sides add multiple rubber bands. Join it to the top. Add ribbon to the hair and the ponytails and then using the ribbon as one of the sections, begin to braid the hair. Once you are done with this, roll it up into a bun and tie the hair up. Start off by sectioning off the front of the hair. Make 3 braids out of it on either side. Join these braids at the back. Add a rubber band in the middle and roll the hair in on itself. Divide the hair into 3 portions. At the bottom, add multiple rubber bands, join it to the 2 ponytails. Take a bun stick, roll the hair around it, and then adjust the hair accordingly. Start off by sectioning off the top of the hair, add a rubber band to it, twist the hair, and then make a bun out of it. Add a decorative clip. As for the bottom, make 2 braids. Loosen it using your fingers. Start off by taking the front section of the hair, add a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. As for the back, begin to braid the hair using the initial section that you have created as well. Once you are done, clip it up. Section off the front of the hair, make 3 divisions out of it. Separate the middle one, join it to the other 2. Braid the bottom of the hair and then roll it up into a bun. Add a decorative clip. For the next hairdo, we will be tying a ponytail with a different kind of rubber band. Thank you for watching.